Have you ever wondered what secret lies dormant within the heart of a ripe, juicy mango? Today, we embark on a 60-day journey to witness the incredible transformation from a simple seed to a vibrant new life. A process of patience and quiet determination that unfolds right before our eyes. Our journey begins with a perfectly ripe mango, its skin blushing with sunset hues. We carefully slice through the sweet golden flesh to reveal the prize within, a large, fibrous seed. The first 5 days are dedicated to preparation. The sticky fruit pulp is meticulously cleaned away, and the tough, woody husk is scrubbed until it is bare. With gentle but firm pressure, the outer shell is cracked open, a delicate operation that feels like unlocking a hidden treasure. Inside, nestled safely, is the kidney bean-shaped kernel, the very blueprint of a future tree. This kernel holds all the potential, all the genetic information needed to begin its quest for the sun. The next phase, from day 6 to day 20, is a period of silent, miraculous awakening. The kernel is carefully wrapped in a damp paper towel, creating a humid, nurturing environment, and then sealed within a plastic bag to maintain this miniature ecosystem. Here in the darkness, the magic begins. A time-lapse reveals the subtle yet profound changes. The kernel, seemingly inert just days before, begins to swell with absorbed moisture. Soon it splits apart, breaking its own dormancy as if taking its first breath. A tiny, pale root, the radicle, cautiously emerges, pushing outward in search of sustenance. Shortly after, the first hint of green appears, a minuscule sprout, the plumule, reaching in the opposite direction, already yearning for the light it has yet to see. From day 21 to day 40, the seedling is ready to meet its new world. The germinated seed is tenderly placed into a pot filled with rich, dark soil, a new home that will support its ambitious growth. We watch as the sprout, now planted, begins its determined push upward. In a captivating time-lapse sequence, we see it break through the surface of the soil, a triumphant moment of arrival. The tender stem, initially bent over as if bowing, gradually straightens, gaining strength with each passing day. At its apex, the first set of leaves, which were tightly folded like a fan, begin to unfurl. These initial leaves are delicate and mark the plant's first true photosynthetic effort, converting sunlight into the energy it needs to thrive. The final stage of our 60-day observation, from day 41 to day 60, is a period of rapid development and beautiful maturation. The young mango plant, now firmly established, shoots upward with visible vigor. The time-lapse captures the emergence of new leaves, which add to the plant's growing canopy. In a stunning display of nature's artistry, these new leaves first appear as a deep reddish-brown or a shade of bronze, a protective pigment that guards them while they are young and tender. As they mature, they undergo a beautiful transformation, slowly turning into the familiar, deep, glossy green of a healthy mango leaf. Tier after tier of foliage develops, creating a lush and symmetrical structure. And so our 60-day journey concludes. We are left with a healthy, thriving young mango plant, standing proudly in its pot, its leaves reaching towards the light. From a humble seed extracted from a summer fruit to a flourishing symbol of life, this has been a testament to the quiet, persistent power of nature. It is a living promise of the shade and sweet fruit it may one day provide, a beautiful cycle of life that began with a single, simple kernel.